PANASONIC Eluga A4, and let me show you how to enable here Do Not Disturb on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here upper bar twice, and here you can find and select Do Not Disturb. Let's tap it. Here you can choose total silence. So this blocks all sounds and vibrations, including from alarms, music, videos and games, but you still be able to make phone calls. You can also choose alarms only, so you won't be disturbed by alarms, or priority only, so you won't be disturbed by your priority rules. Let me choose alarms only. You can turn it off until you turn it off, or you can choose for an hour or for another period of time. Let me tick the option with until I turn it off. Let's tap done. As you can see, the following mode pops up right here, alarms only, and this is also the icon of this mode. Now if you would like to change the Do Not Disturb settings, let's here find and select the settings. Then here you have to find and choose the sound. Tap on Do Not Disturb, and as you can see here, you can change the priority only allows, and you can here handle with reminders, events, and you can accept some calls and messages from some favorite contacts, for example. You can also here handle with repeat callers if you would like to. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.